Hey folks, welcome back to our channel Martech Market. In our previous video, we saw how brands leverage social media to build their brand awareness programs. If at all you had missed out on this video, you can check out for the link in our description. On today's video, we are going to talk about how brands use affiliate marketing to create these brand awareness programs. Before we get into how does brands leverage affiliate marketing to create their brand awareness program, or what are the different options do they have when it comes to affiliate marketing, let's quickly understand what is affiliate marketing. Now, here what exactly happens is a brand ties up with a third party. We call this third party as a publisher. They tie up at a particular pricing model. This pricing model usually could be cost per impression or cost per click. Now, cost per impression is every time an ad is shown on the publisher's property. These properties could be the publisher's website or app. They are supposed to pay the publisher a particular amount. This is what we call as cost per impression. There's another model called as cost per click. Every time these ads are shown and the user ends up clicking on those ads, the brand is supposed to pay the publisher. But these are two different models. There are multiple other models, but let's come back to the point. What exactly is affiliate marketing is, these brands at a particular pricing model ties up with a third party who we call as a publisher to promote the brand's advertisement on their property. The property, like I said, could be their website or app. The different publisher or the different tie-ups could be, they could either tie up with individual who does reviews on their YouTube channels, or they can tie up with an individual who have their own website, or it could be a brand altogether, one brand tying up with another brand to show their banners on their website or app, or they could also tie up with a publisher network to keep it short. These are the ones. This is an individual publisher who in return has tie up with a lot of different brands or other brands. So whenever a brand reaches out to a publisher network, the publisher network would then reach out to multiple brands to promote these brands advertisement on the other brands portals, website or app. And we also have something called as programmatic. We'll talk about programmatic later in the video. So let us quickly get into the first affiliate marketing model. What exactly happens here is a brand ties up with a coupon website. Now, why do they tie up with a coupon website? It's very simple. A lot of users would be going onto this coupon website to search for certain coupon codes. So what exactly happens here is, if a user is looking for fashion e-commerce coupon codes, when they come onto this, and fashion e-commerce is just an example, when they come onto this website, what exactly happens is, when this particular brand ties up with this coupon code website, their ads or their advertisement would be shown on the top and along with the coupon code, so that chances of user clicking on it, using that coupon code and doing a transaction with the brand is high. So that is why they tie up with such coupon codes, coupon based websites. The second option is they tie up with certain reviewers. Now, say for example, this is an I'm not saying that this particular review done by Technical Guruji is an affiliate program. It could be a genuine review that they have done. But there are certain times where brands tie up with a top reviewers to promote their brands. This is another form of affiliate, where for every views that they get, they are supposed to, the brand is supposed to pay the reviewer. This is another way of doing affiliate program. The third option we have here is these brands tie up with rewards and loyalty based apps and websites. A famous example for this would be your UPI based payment apps. They tie up with your UPI based payment app, and for every transaction you do, these UPI based payment app gives rewards. And when you scratch these rewards, you come to know about new brands, right? They also give rewards for an existing brand also, but this is another way of creating awareness about a brand. The fourth option that you have is these brands tie up with certain publishers. To give you an easy example of publishers, you go to any news portal, you would see certain ads being running on these portals. Or when I say news portal, you can go to their website, you can go to their app, you would see certain ads shown on their website and ads. This is a form of tie-up that these brand has with these news portals. These news portals would also, in case they have your email address, phone number, what they also do is they try to send out promote email and SMS promoting this particular brand, right? And in this, there are various models. Like I said earlier, I spoke about cost per impression, cost per click. Here, when it comes to email, also they'll have certain models like cost per click or cost per registration, cost per transaction, and all. But there are different models. Idea is this particular brand gets promoted on this third-party publisher. These publishers, while I said it could be a news product, it could also be an individual who has access to a lot of people's email address and phone number. They can directly tie up with them, with those companies who deal with running affiliate marketing on email addresses and phone number as well. The other option we have is these brands tie up with the publisher network. Publisher network, like I said earlier, it's a network where these publisher internally has tie up with various other brands who's ready to monetize their asset. When I say they are ready to monetize their asset is nothing but their website and app, where they place ads of certain brands on their website and app. And for every ads, like I said, they will have some cost per click, cost per impression, or different various pricing model. But what exactly happens here is the brand ties up with this third-party publisher. This third-party publisher network will have tie up with various different brands, and they run ads on the asset of these brands. Asset is nothing but their website and app, or could also end up being the email and SMS channel also, or push notification as well. But this is what happens with publisher network. Now, the last option we have here is something called as programmatic. What actually happens here is these brands who wants to promote their product or create brand awareness about the products and services that they have, they tie up with companies that has built software called as programmatic. To understand programmatic, it's very simple. What exactly happens here is this particular software will have two platforms. Now, what happens with this two platform is one side of the platform is given to publishers, and the other side of the platform is given to advertisers. Advertisers is this particular brand that I'm talking about who wants to promote or build brand awareness programs. Now, what exactly happens here is the platform that's with the publishers, the different publishers would put in information about the kind of audience that come onto their website and app. They'll also talk about the different ad spaces that they have on their website and app, and they put in various other information onto the supply side platform. And the other platform that we spoke about, which is given to the advertiser, we call it demand side platform. Now, why it is called as demand side? An advertiser has a demand of promoting their product, right? And why we call this as supply side? Because the publisher has a supply of their assets for a particular advertiser to promote their products, right? Now, what on the other side of demand side platform, the advertiser will come and put in information like what kind of audience do they want to target, the content of their ad, and other information there, right? Now, both of this information, after they put into their respective platform, these information come into something called as ad exchange. Now, this ad exchange is place where it is automatically decided basis the criteria that both the parties give. And here there would be a lot of advertisers. On the other side, there will be a lot of publisher. Basis the budget, basis the requirement from both the parties, the ad exchange decides which ad is to be placed on which particular website and app, and where exactly it has to be placed. So this is what is programmatic. Everything happens automatically through a software. This is another way of affiliate marketing. But in the end, what is happening here is a particular brand through programmatic ties up with a third party to promote their product at a particular pricing model. So this is what is affiliate marketing all about. We'll talk about certain interesting affiliate marketing campaigns done by different brands in a different video. In our next video, we're going to talk about how exactly does brand leverage traditional mode of marketing to leverage their brand awareness programs. Please subscribe to our channel so that you get more such content. Have a great day. Thank you.